Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Twitter and 24K on Instagram. Today I'm unboxing the Scosche portable HEPA air purifier and deodorizer. So this is a portable unit that you can use in your home or vehicle or at your desk or really anywhere that's a smaller space. So here's some things that it does and deodorizes and removes from the air. So you can pause this anytime and take a look at all the things that we're scrolling over. So that way you can read it at your own leisure. And then we'll get into the box and show you the product itself and then actually show you it working. All right, now one more, how it works. So the air comes in through here and then goes out the top clean. It has a really cool way of using it, and I'll show you that in just a moment when I plug it in. So here's the inside of the box. So they show you it using in the car right there in one of the cup holders, and it comes with a car power adapter as well. Okay, here's the unit. So it's pretty small, smaller than the box. The HEPA filter is replaceable. You just twist and it will open. So now we'll go ahead and plug it in. So it comes with this cable and this car charger, but I have an external battery that I can show how it works. So we just plug this in here like that, and then this plugs in to the top. And then what it will do is actually measure the temperature of where it is and the humidity level. And let's say the low is not good enough. So you can actually swipe your hand over it and that will make it go even higher. And it shows you the temperature and the relative humidity, and you can also turn it off as well and on. And this will show you green if the HEPA filter is good. So that's pretty cool. It shows you temperature, relative humidity, and you can bump up the speed as well just by moving your hand over it. So that's the Scosche HEPA air filter. It's portable. You can use it with battery, or you can use it in your car, you can use it in your desk. It's highly portable. This is Chris FrescheAir, 24K on Instagram and on Twitter. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.